दिन जो पूना में गई थी,
हाँ.
एक शाम को मेरी माँ ने पानी पूरी बनाई.
हाँ.
I'm not joking. I had a whole packet. I think 60 पूरीज ना.
Impossible. Really?
मेरी माँ को पूछ मिलके मैं मूर्खा है का?
हाँ.
So funny. When I go to London, my London accent really kicks in, and then suddenly when I'm speaking to somebody on the phone or something, my accent completely changes to
to this.
To this.
How you did your L's right now?
I don't know. It's किसी गेट पे लिखा था कि इथे वाहन लावल्यास त्याची वाट लावली जाईल.
Hi Radhika, welcome to the Bombay journey again.
Thank you.
So nice to have you back.
Thank you. Very great to have to be back.
यार आपका तबीयत खराब है तो ये हम बता देते लोगों को ताकि वो आपकी एनर्जी पे क्वेश्चन ना करें.
हाँ प्लीज मेरी एनर्जी पे क्वेश्चन करो, मुझे वायरल है. हाँ.
क्या मुझे डरना चाहिए?
नहीं, मैं कोविड नहीं है यार. मुझे लगता है बाकी वायरल कोविड से ज्यादा डेंजरस है.
हाँ ना?
कम मतलब है बहुत सारे वायरल्स जो कोविड से भी ज्यादा खतरनाक है.
आई एम श्योर. बट देखो आपको ऐसा अंडरकवर एजेंट है ना, तो मतलब हम लोग ऐसा गाड़ी भी लेके आए. ऐसा ही लगना चाहिए ऐसा मैं राजेश शर्मा हूँ और आपको ब्रीफ दे रहा हूँ. मस्त एक्टर है ना वो आदमी.
हाँ बहुत यार, क्या मतलब बहुत मजेदार एक्टर है.
हाँ.
और बहुत वर्सेटाइल है. और मैं तो मुझे तो हंसी आती थी उनको देख के.
Oh shit, that must be difficult to then emote after.
Yeah, because he's doing something and I'm looking at him like forgetting that I have to perform.
Oh my god, that must be interesting. But ये हम लोग ना मिसेस अंडरकवर की बात करें जो इनकी लेटेस्ट ZEE5 की.
जी, मेरी फिल्म है जो ZEE5 पे आ रही है 14th अप्रैल को.
हाँ जी.
तो
देख लेना आप लोग. क्या आपको एक्शन करके मजा आता है क्या?
अरे यार मुझे एक्शन करके इतना मजा आता है ना. मुझे एक्चुअली कॉमेडी और एक्शन मुझे बहुत मजा आता है करने को.
Really? I don't know
why people don't give it to me. But मोनिका पहला था, अभी मोनिका और
I'm just saying call her agents.
Call my agent. अरे यार सबको पता है. पर I really love doing comedy. I love doing action. पर ये एक्शन में प्रॉब्लम क्या था ना कि हमारा टाइम का एक तो कोविड में during COVID we shot, so it was just so many people falling sick and just so many, like we were scared. We were trying to fit everything in a very short time.
Correct.
We had no time. So we've shot the sequences literally on the day, no rehearsal, no prep. So you know it's.
कैसे किया फिर आपने?
I mean, we did it. We tried our best and did our best. But I wish I had more rehearsal. I would have done it better, I think.
I'm sure.
But I had such a great time that I hope that I get to do more action in the future.
लेकिन फिल्म का एक्शन और कठिन होता है because you have harnesses and you have a lot of other things happening also, right?
It's actually easier.
अच्छा.
Because you have all of that, but still you need your basic strength. You need your core strength. You need your and also you need a little bit of practice because you have to do a lot of balancing using your core, right?
Okay.
You have to turn it around like, what do they call it? I don't know.
Twirl, like
a somersault in the air.
हाँ जी.
You need your core strength, right, to be able to do that as well.
Correct.
Or you're falling from somewhere and you have to maintain that position. You need your core strength. I think you need a little bit more practice than I've had, so I'm feeling a bit bad about it, but never mind. Next one.
For sure.
Next one.
Yeah. यार देखो हमारी कई सारी बातें हो चुकी हैं, तो आप लोग अगर आके हम पे बरसें कि हमने मुंबई वाली बातें क्यों नहीं की, तो आई विल गेट दोस आल्सो आउट ऑफ द वे ताकि लोग ये ना बोले कमेंट्स में कि मुंबई बॉम्बे जर्नी में मुंबई की बातें नहीं की.
ठीक है.
तो एक तो सबसे पहले थोड़ा पीछे चलते हैं, पुणे की एरियाज की बातें नहीं हुई थी आपकी. नहीं हुए.
हाँ.
I have two very very pure questions about Pune.
Okay.
One, what are your areas? What would be where would you hang and like see क्या था?
So I lived near Model Colony.
हाँ.
और यार ट्रैफिक का तो मत पूछो मत. मैं तो पूना से हूँ भाई.
हाँ. उधर अलग नियम चलते हैं.
अलग ही नियम है ट्रैफिक के. तो मतलब वहाँ अगर गाड़ी चलाने आती है तो कहीं पे भी आएगी जिंदगी में.
ये बहुत शहर वाले बोलते हैं.
हाँ, पर एक्चुअली when I first time I went on a road trip in London.
हाँ जी.
As in England, not London. I had a bit of the first couple of days I had a bit of a difficult time.
Culture shock. Automobile culture shock.
नहीं यार, इतने rules है ना.
हाँ जी.
तो मैं ब्रेक कर रही थी ना.
हाँ, क्योंकि आदत
नहीं है rules को ये करने की.
Did you drive around Pune though?
No, I've driven like first मेरी स्कूटी थी.
हाँ.
फिर गाड़ी.
कहाँ तो एरिया बताओ.
यहाँ तो मॉडल कॉलोनी में रहती थी. कॉलेज था फर्ग्यूसन.
हाँ.
स्कूल भी मॉडल कॉलोनी में ही थी. मतलब मॉडल कॉलोनी थोड़ा पीछे था ईस्ट स्क्वायर के यहाँ. तो वो डेक्कन वाज माय मेन एरिया.
Okay.
Because Ferguson College was there.
Yeah, that's the college hub also, no?
हाँ. In Pune, when I was in Pune, my boyfriend used to live literally in Deccan area. My best friend is from Deccan.
Nice.
All Prabhat Road, Bhandarkar Road. Older school used to be there. So all that is my area. A little bit of Aund Baner.
Ah.
Mrs. Undercover.
Mrs. Undercover, yes.
ऐसे अच्छा लगता है देख के ना, ऐसे मुझे पता ही नहीं था ऐसे पोस्टर वोस्टर बाहर है।
फुल दुर्गा वाला पोज भी आपका
दुर्गा वाला पोज, हाँ। What was I saying? Around little bit of Bane round always.
Yeah.
And Kothurud.
Best.
Little bit. But hanging out was more this, and then once in a while, once a month, go to KP, Koregaon Park.
भाई काफी cool है हाँ पुणे. The scene in Pune with bands and like everything is super.
Not that I know anything of it, but yes, it's very cool. I went right now for very briefly, like just to say quick hello and doing some stuff.
Documentation.
But yeah, I really need to go often because I go like twice a year. That too like for 3 days at a time. Barely see my friends and my relatives, and every time I go there, there's some new construction or new something. So it's changed a lot. But I want to spend more time with my family.
I'm sure.
Really want to spend more time with my family. This global citizenship is great, but it's like really taking me further away from my family, which is
I'm sure, yeah.
sad actually.
It's also like an 8-9 hour flight, no?
Yes, it feels like a bus journey to me now though.
Oh really?
हाँ मतलब I always take day flights and I work.
Oh nice.
So it's like a nice 8 hours of work because
Peace,
nobody's
right?
bothering you. Yeah.
That's true. Somebody else also had told me that because it's extremely
Love
like
it.
isolated and
Yeah.
it's just you and you're enjoying.
Yeah,
Interesting.
yeah.
And Pune के खाने की जगह आपकी कौन सी थी?
My favorite place, I mean, so many. Pune is like famous for food. Kalyan Bhel, before it became so massive, had a small stall on Canal Road.
Oh yeah?
My God, एक दिन तो मैं वहाँ गई थी, मेरे पास पैसे भी नहीं थे, मैंने कहा यार उधार पे दे दो पानी पूरी। मैंने उधार में भी पानी पूरी खाई है वहाँ पे, क्योंकि मैं हर रोज जाती थी।
हाँ।
अभी मैं गई ना 1-1.5 दिन जो पूना में गई थी, एक शाम को मेरी माँ ने पानी पूरी बनाई। आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, आई हैड अ होल पैकेट, आई थिंक 60 पूरीज ना।
Impossible, really?
मेरी माँ को पूछ मिलके, मतलब मैं अगर आई विश आई वाज एग्जैजरेटिंग बिकॉज़ आई डोंट नो
I didn't know somebody can love pani puri that much. I used to be like a 40-50 puri guy and I thought I was killing it.
No. I can easily eat. I mean easily, but it scares me क्योंकि थोड़ा मतलब कोई कंट्रोल ही नहीं है यार खुद के खाने पे।
But it's also pani puri.
हाँ but still यार fried puris they are.
That's
Fine, you have 10, you have 12. चलो 20 खा लो, 60
कोई है ऐसे 60 ऐसे कोई भी है तो हमें बताओ कमेंट में।
और उसके बाद मैंने 2 रगड़ा पैटिस भी खाया।
Kudos यार।
मतलब I'm actually not exaggerating. मुझे डर लगता है अपने खाने के।
कुछ 6-8 हफ्ते वाला जो कोटा था आपने एक बार में खत्म
कर दिया।
Good job. Why not?
मेरा ऐसा होता है कि खाती हूँ तो मतलब 1 किलो केक खा लिया। वो बेकर्स बास्केट में मैं हमेशा हम जाते क्योंकि तिलक टाइम पे स्विमिंग करने जाते थे।
Okay.
तो हमको हर एक दिन हफ्ते में 3 रुपए का रम बॉल खाने को मिलता था। पॉकेट मनी बहुत कम था यार, मतलब हफ्ते का 3 रुपए। वो ऐसा रम बॉल आता है, क्या पता यार उसमें रम तो होती होगी या नहीं होती होगी पता नहीं, पर चॉकलेट का बॉल आता था, वो खाते थे। और वो ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट केक एंड पाइनएप्पल केक वाज वेरी टेस्टी।
ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट इज लाइक गो टू केक
बट बेकर्स बास्केट का यार।
अच्छा।
और एगलेस नहीं खाना यार, मतलब हाँ मुझे समझ में आ रहा है सेंटिमेंट, पर मतलब मैं वेजी हूँ पर
वो केक
में एगलेस का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है।
नहीं वो फ्लफ नहीं आएगा ना।
क्या कमाल है उनका ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट और पाइनएप्पल।
तो वो आई हैव एडेड इट टू माय बकेट लिस्ट।
तो वो हमेशा खाती हूँ। कयानी का केक खाती हूँ,
वो टू है वो तो।
हाँ फिर
मतलब आप लोग जर्मन बेकरी हैंग आउट नहीं करते थे?
नहीं, जर्मन बेकरी मेरा ज्यादा हैंग आउट नहीं था।
अच्छा ठीक है।
गुड लक
यस ऑफ कोर्स।
गुड लक तो कितना खाना खाया है पता है। और
गुड लक से पार्सल भी लाते हो ना?
अरे हम फर्ग्यूसन कॉलेज में जो पुरुषोत्तम के लिए रिहर्सल्स करते थे, वो पूरे रात के रिहर्सल्स होते थे। तो हमारा हर रोज का होता था कि 5 रुपए का कंट्रीब्यूशन करेगा हर आदमी ग्रुप में। तो 5-5 रुपए जमा करके हम पूरा एक वी यूज्ड टू हैव अ बैंक एंड एवरी डे वी यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग it's disgusting what I'm going to tell you. I don't know how we did it. Just to get chicken chili and mutton keema or some sabzi in plastic bag because that's how they used to give.
Yes.
And then we used to get all the chapatis.
Okay.
We used to open the plastic bags like that only, and the whole group used to just eat like that every night.
Wow. But that's a feeling.
It's a feeling. That was great for that time. Now I can't do this.
Yeah, I can't imagine it also.
I can't.
But I'm like ये पिछला देखिए आप लोगों को समझाने के लिए Zomato Swiggy के पहले का जमाना है, जब इतना पार्सलिंग टेक्निक्स नहीं आया था। अभी बहुत अच्छा पार्सलिंग टेक्निक्स आ गया और सब गली नुक्कड़ में।
अभी एक्चुअली पार्सलिंग टेक्निक्स बदल रहा है और बायोडिग्रेडेबल पार्सलिंग टेक्निक्स आ रहा है, व्हिच इज गुड एक्चुअली, बिकॉज़ बीच में तो सिर्फ प्लास्टिक है यार। And I never do my groceries. I never go to a grocery shop without a bag.
Of course.
Never. I never use plastic bags. Secondly, I avoid going to Co-op and Waitrose, Tesco's, where for vegetable shopping because it's all comes in plastic packets, right? So I go to the actual veggie vendors, local veggie vendors.
Like you have farmers markets and all.
Yes, but we also have daily veggie vendors, right? So
really, like अपना रेडी वाला जैसा तो नहीं.
अच्छा सर अपने यहाँ बैठते हैं ना?
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Of course, you have lots of shops with vegetables.
Oh yeah?
So I go there.
I did not know this.
Yeah, and I get my vegetables so that I don't have to use plastic.
हाँ जी.
But now if I'm buying, I don't know, coffee.
Yeah.
But it does come in a plastic.
That's true.
You know, हमारे यहाँ 3 है ना वेस्ट का. एक है जो एक्चुअली 4 है. एक है जिस कंपोस्ट.
ठीक है.
We have a big compost bin in the
But आपके पास
garden.
जगह रहेगा ना, मुंबई में पॉसिबल नहीं है वो.
You know, मुंबई में भी पॉसिबल है. मेरी माँ करती है, मतलब वो पुणे में है, but फिर भी कंपोस्ट से you can make biogas, you can make your tea, coffee, everything on the biogas. You can do these things at home in a corner or on your balcony. It's not compost doesn't smell, right? If you put it in the bin, it doesn't smell. So we have a compost. हाँ उसका होता है ना bin. You put it in that, it doesn't smell. So we do all our vegetable waste. We put it in the compost.
Super.
So nothing goes out because we have big 2 bins outside. We never barely use them. All the meat, because my partner eats meat sometimes, that goes in a different place because that doesn't go with the compost.
Oh, that's why it doesn't smell.
Yeah, it doesn't smell. Yeah.
Because bones would attract like
mice or rats or whatever. No, it doesn't smell. Then we have all plastic that we wash. So if you have a container, you need to wash it and then put it for recycling so that they can actually use it. And the 4th one is glass. So glass bottles you keep separately because that goes in London. That is a different place where you recycle. So we segregate our waste like that.
Wow,
and we try not using it.
This is a lot of work also.
It just becomes second nature to you if you start changing your habits.
You're right.
You know.
But perfect है, सही है, मजा है.
मतलब and there's no point in denouncing, so to blaming other people. ये देखो ये plastic bottle सभी कभी करना पड़ता है. Like in our country, if suddenly your water finishes, and you want to fill water, where are you going to fill water from? You buy a bottle of water.
Correct.
You know. Anyway.
But we'll come back to Mumbai के area. हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत बात किया था पिछली बार. But plastic, like you said, this company in Pune.
Recharkha.
हाँ, चरखा.
Recharkha.
Upcyclers in Hyderabad. They do sheets, corrugated sheets. There is this lady from Mica. Not Mica, sorry, Srishti Art Institute.
Yes.
Who has started a compost bin.
Yes.
I want to pick that up.
Yes.
So hi, I want to talk to you very soon. But no, these are the cool things that I learned from like reality TV in India.
Okay.
But Mumbai के area के हमारी थोड़ी बहुत बात हुई थी. You'd share an apartment, but like, what areas were yours apart from like the other and Nariman Point you spoke about because you'd go for practice there, or Prithvi?
Yeah, you know, recently I went. There's a place called Suryodaya or something like that, right opposite church. Get there. So that's where I used to eat pani puri.
I think
everything
I know
in my life,
Suryodaya.
is around pani puri, I think. But
you're a pani puri fanatic.
Oh my god,
That's
I love pani
who you
puri,
are.
bhel, shev puri, all of that.
But like आलू और रगड़ा वाला
पानी पूरी
के अंदर
अभी मेरी माँ जो है वो व्हाइट चने का बनाती है.
ठीक है.
तो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है मुझे आलू से. वटाना पांडरा वटाना
वैरायटी उसी का वैरायटी है ना वो.
और जब ग्रीन डालोगे तो बहुत गंदा लगेगा.
नहीं वो तो सब्जी हो गया. वो कभी कभी कुछ लोग रगड़ा में डालते हैं. ग्रीन वाला नहीं. आई थिंक सिमिलर कुछ मैंने खाया है एक जगह. तो मैंने खाया है मे बी नॉर्थ में भी हो सकता है, खाया हो सकता है, क्या मालूम. एनीवे, सो मुंबई के एरिया की अपार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक दिस चर्च गेट के सामने वाली जगह जो आपने बताई, और कौन सी जगह?
एक्चुअली वर्सोवा में एक है और पृथ्वी के बाहर की.
अरे उसका सेव पूरी तो बेस्ट है बॉस. बेस्ट.
देन God, what is that shop in Santa Cruz? Swati Snacks. I like Swati Snacks.
Yes.
Or recently I went to, gosh, I have party in Bandra. It's very famous place.
Yeah.
In Bandra.
Okay, I have no idea, but like Elko.
Elko. I'm sorry, I've never been to Elko. This is the first time I went. They were very sweet. And they were like, so I said, नहीं मुझे एक की पानी पूरी चाहिए. They looked at me and said, ऐसे सब desires को ऐसे ये नहीं करना चाहिए, you know, don't like. और मैंने कहा ठीक है मैं और 2 खाऊंगी करके मैंने 2 पानी पूरी और 2 सेव पूरी पार्सल करके लेके. मुझे ऐसा इतना पुश किया ना तो मैं हाँ बोल देती हूँ. So anyway.
तो apart from the food places, we did not speak about slang. Do you have any favorite Mumbai slang words?
Mumbai slang, I don't know.
Any slang is fine also. What's your go-to set of words?
In Marathi probably.
Then tell me.
I say murkha is my go-to thing. Murkha hai ka?
हाँ.
You know what I mean? Like I think I've used it in Andhadhun, no?
Yeah.
I think I say
it very naturally came to you.
Like, yeah, exactly. I think it's such a great word. I think murkha. Hey, तूने पायरी खाया है?
Pyri, yes. That's the first set of mangoes that come, no?
Yeah, man, I love pyri. Because Amras is always made of pyri, by the way.
That's true.
And here in Bombay, even you ask anyone, they're like, yeah, वो Alfonso का, मैंने कहा यार Alfonso का Amras नहीं बनता भाई.
नहीं, वो तो इसी खाने का ना.
हाँ, pyri का Amras बनता है. किसी को पता भी नहीं. तो मैंने अभी लाया pyri में खाऊंगी. Sorry, this is
it's also easier to like work around, right?
And also I love to eat sometimes just like that and then suck on it. Oof.
Yeah, hard relate. यार मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कभी कि लंदन में ऐसे लोग बहुत न्यूट्रल कलर्स और सिर्फ ब्लैक ग्रेज एंड व्हाइट्स ब्राउन्स में क्यों इतना विश्वास करते हैं?
I don't know यार, मेरा पूरा वार्डरोब ऑलमोस्ट ब्लैक था पहले.
फिर
अभी थोड़ा कलरफुल हो गया.
अच्छी चीज है ना.
हाँ. I don't know, they do wear blacks. I love black.
हाँ.
I don't know why they like muted colors.
Yeah.
I think it's the weather. It sort of reflects in how people dress up. We have such a vibrant country with seasons
so many,
and just variety of such a large country, right? We have snow, we have desert, we have whatever, mountains, oceans, and we have different kinds of landscape and geography, cultures. We have so much diversity.
Yeah, folks from the
geography
UK and London, etc.
Everything. But
tell us in the comments, why do you think this has happened? Like, I don't know. Somebody should trace back.
UK is a smaller place, I think, has a certain weather. I don't know, but its tastes are muted. I quite enjoyed that as well. When I'm there, I do like muted taste. I don't go very vibrant.
Oh yeah?
Sometimes I do, actually. That's not true. Sometimes I do. And here also, sometimes I go vibrant and sometimes I'm muted. I think I'm both. I'm happy to fit into... I don't even know if it's fitting into. I do what I want, but I quite like being different.
In different places? Like your
people also, like being a different person or being a person with a different kind of wardrobe or look or whatever.
Yeah, your London accent comes on as soon as you talk about London.
It's so funny. When I go to London, my London accent really kicks in. And then suddenly when I'm speaking to somebody on the phone or something, my accent completely changes to...
to this. How you did your L's right now.
I don't know.
No, that's lovely. I love it.
It's a weird accent. I have no accent. I have like a stupid, mixed, rubbish accent.
Was Warsaw always your area or has it become your area?
Always Warsaw. I wanted to, in the beach, I wanted to shift to like more Juhu or something, just to be a bit more central. But Rajni Didi, who comes home and cooks for us, she's more of the, like, she's more important than area.
Your manager.
You know what I mean?
Area.
So Didi जहाँ है वहाँ हम रहेंगे.
क्या बात है यार, ये तो बहुत अच्छी.
इसीलिए I'm in Warsaw.
सत्य वचन. एक और चीज रह गई थी. पुणे सा पार्टिया, because I love parties. Do you have any remembrance or do you remember any?
One I remember, किसी गेट पे लिखा था कि इथे वाहन लावल्यास त्याची वाट लावली जाईल. I think it's great.
Pretty direct.
की इथे वाहन लावलं तर त्याची वाट लावली जाईल.
This is where we are at. Oh wow, I did not know this. This is the jetty area.
Yeah.
Do you use the jetty often?
No, I actually don't. I try avoid going to mud at all times. यहाँ से जाना. When I came to Bombay, I had very ambitious dreams. I had a dream that I will start a funded agency where we'll clean up mud. I was stupid because mud नहीं jetty.
यार ये जो आपका महिषासुर मर्दिनी वगैरह है Mrs. Undercover में, and like this whole like Durga is just your name also.
Yeah.
Is that like a lot of like weight on your shoulders because you're representing almost like this energy and force of?
ऐसा कोई weight लेती नहीं हूँ मैं.
नहीं लेते हो ऐसा. टेंशन नहीं है. कोई
टेंशन जितना कम लो जिंदगी में उतना ठीक है यार, उतना अच्छा है. मैं कुछ नहीं लेती यार, अगर खामखा क्यों लेना है टेंशन.
Yeah, I think Monica and this one are both very, very pure characters of yours. I really love them. They're so relatable. Like I know somebody who's like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, true. Other characters are not relatable. Andhadhun, Badlapur.
Andhadhun is an interesting girl.
It's the girl next door. It could be anybody.
Yeah.
This is quite specific, right?
Yes.
Yes, a community cop पता है मुझे. Yeah, ये दुर्गा तो मतलब I think so many.
अभी किधर right left?
Left because right तो बंद है ना भैया.
सीधा बंद है right से जाते हैं.
Sorry. Left.
मुंबई में ऐसे बहुत रास्ते हैं भाई जो बंद है, समझ में नहीं आता जिंदगी किधर से चालू है कि
सब बंद
खत्म।
है, सब जगह काम चालू है, मतलब दिमाग खराब हो गया है
भाई। अलग लेवल दिमाग का है, बट अपग्रेड होएगा तो विल बी वन ऑफ दोस पीपल
कि अरे यार इस लिंक से जाने वाला
नहीं विल बी लाइक अरे इधर ये कुछ भी नहीं था, मैंने देखा मेरे सामने आया है। वन ऑफ दोस पीपल,
हाँ
यू नो व्हाट आई
यार
मीन।
वैसे पुणे इतना चेंज हुआ ना, मैं बस या हमारी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन को यहाँ से टर्न कर लो आप प्लीज। ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन को तो मतलब कितना चेंज देखने को मिला है यार।
हाँ
And I think it's not a great change necessarily. I don't think it is because it's so much destruction, so much just all the old good things, trees, open spaces, open skylines.
वो तो हमें कुछ
इसकी
पता ही
सबकी
नहीं
जड़ क्या है पता है? Population.
है। That's true.
Main problem is population. तो
That's
ज्यादा बच्चे मत पैदा करो।
हाँ ये भी सही है।
एक चाहिए तो करो भाई, दूसरा अडॉप्ट कर लो।
नहीं हम लोग और ज्ञान नहीं देंगे क्योंकि पब्लिक बरस जाती है हम पे कमेंट्स में।
अच्छा
लंदन के एरिया की बात भी बता दो क्योंकि हम लोग पुणे मुंबई लंदन वाई
यार मैं लंदन की बात नहीं बताऊंगी क्योंकि ना
आ जाएगी पब्लिक।
हाँ यार
ऐसा होता है क्या?
लंदन में मुझे लगता है लंदन में कोई पहचानेगा नहीं, पहचानते हैं यार लोग।
आप पिछली बार बोलिए आपको तरकारी लेने जाते हो तो कोई ज्यादा पहचानता नहीं, खा सकता आप पहचान
नहीं
रहे क्या?
पहचानते हैं यार, मुझे बहुत मतलब नहीं अच्छा लगता।
ये ओटीटी के वाइड रिलीज की वजह से
मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मॉब कभी नहीं होता, पर
जी।
पहचानते हैं लोग। और मुझे किसी को जब लोगों को पता चलता है मैं कहाँ रहती हूँ ना, तो मुझे नहीं पसंद है वो।
ट्यूब लेके पहुंच गए वहां पर, क्या भरोसा।
नहीं मतलब इट्स वेरी पर्सनल यार।
दैट्स ट्रू।
Sorry, it's private life and it's private. You can't intrude that. You can't come in the way.
That's true.
Anyway.
You're not very active on social media as
No.
much.
No, I'm not.
Why is that? Like, is that a conscious thing that you did?
I mean, initially yes. Now I think I get bored only. So
Really?
yeah. I can't be on social media. It's very mind numbing.
But like the unending scroll is quite entertaining. It sucks you in. It's a worm hole.
Yeah, it's not a wormhole. It's a
It's a well-designed algorithm.
black hole or something.
It's a black hole. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh.
But we really wish to get down with you and do a little chat while we should eat pani puri next time.
I'd like that.
What's coming? Where all are we seeing?
We go
you?
to Elko and.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
No,
I'll make you try another one which is very similar.
Stomach खराब नहीं होगा?
नहीं. Very
हाँ,
hygienic.
ठीक है. हाँ,
Ramen
तो चलेगा.
shaman khar. You've not had ramen
No.
shaman? Oh भाई.
ये सिकंदर खेर का है क्या फेवरेट? उसको कोई खार पे कुछ बहुत पसंद है।
सिकंदर खेर का हो सकता है।
हम बहुत खाने के बारे में बात करते हैं जब मिले तो। बट प्लीज डू। आई डोंट नो अभी तो इतनी जल्दी कुछ नहीं है। आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड अ ब्रिटिश फिल्म।
Nice. You told us about it. हाँ.
वो तो यहाँ रिलीज नहीं होगी। Literally, हाँ अभी जस्ट 4 दिन पहले। And then I have an American film that I will start shooting.
Oh wow. Where are you shooting? In LA?
No, somewhere else.
Oh, interesting.
And then there is a Hindi film.
क्या बात है, इंटरनेशनल स्टार के साथ बैठी हुई अपन पब्लिक।
कितना मतलब इंटरनेशनल, मतलब सच में इंटरनेशनल।
या इधर उधर सब जगह ग्लोब ट्रॉटर फील्स। बट देखो भाई लोग, अभी है ना आप लोग पिछला वाला वीडियो पे जाके देखना अगर आपको ऐसा लगा कि अरे तुम मुंबई का बात नहीं किया और ऐसा सब। बट आई थिंक वी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ कॉमेडी। हाँ ओके दीस you're not good at interviews. Is that something you also said? You also said that yourself.
Yeah.
Somebody put it in the comments. No, somebody put it in the comments also.
I'm very happy. Please put it in the comment. No, I'm not very good at. I don't care. Yeah, like in the sense, probably I'm not good at interviews. Yeah.
Yeah, but we have fun always. I've never had a bad one with you. That's good. Nice. I'm very happy. Extremely confident with your body and hair. They said. I don't know how they said hair. It's like,
today am I confident with my hair? It's like quite.
I mean, it was a 4-line comment. This was the part which I read. I got
I'm
it.
confident with my body. Yes.
Yeah.
Hair. This length is quite odd though at the moment because I'm trying to grow my hair out.
Were you a short hair person in life?
No, I was actually for a long time I was a long hair person. Then I became a short hair person. Then whenever I have short hair, I want long hair. I want short hair.
There's something about being vain or being, just like I don't know.
I'm vain?
Yeah, I think so.
Fine. Whatever. I am vain. Very vain. And you are more vain because you are watching it and commenting on it.
Yeah. How's it working with Anushri as a director? How is she?
It's the first feature film and...
but she's been a creative producer in all of those things before.
But director?
No, not director.
First time director.
And she'd written dialogues for CID. Did you know that?
Yeah, I found out yesterday.
That's so cool. I was like, wow.
I didn't know that.
But throughout filming, you didn't know that she had written dialogues?
No.
Oh, super.
So stupid of me. But no, I did. She was lovely, yeah. She's lived with that film and the idea for a while. She really put her heart and soul in it. So I mean, really, the film means a lot to her, and so it was very endearing to work with somebody who cares so much.
So अभी आपका जिंदगी apart from the travel that you're going to do in Bali, there's not much travel, or
it's constant travel. Like I'm exhausted and I'm constantly traveling, and I used to enjoy it a lot. I think I do enjoy a little bit of stability these days. I'd like to be in one place and have a bit of like less manic life, but this year's just started manic, and it's going to be manic till at least October.
I kind of feel very jealous of you all who get to travel so much because of your points and your, like, you keep getting miles on your cards.
I had so many miles when Jet went bankrupt.
Oh my god, I feel you. यार, I go to the Intermiles website and I'm just like, क्या हुआ? कुछ कर सकते
क्या मैं? So many miles. Oh man, I mean, oh gosh, so many vouchers and miles.
I completely
I used to love Jet.
Same. Sometimes I recognize the aircrafts and I take photos and I'm just like, I know this aircraft.
Yeah. Anyway.
So good fun. Always good to have you. We have questions remaining from the last time and this one.
My interview skills are so bad. Thanks for saying that.
No, but thank you. Thank you everybody for telling us what to do better, things here and there and all.
Thanks, yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Shouldn't really give you my cold, but...
Bye.
Bye. Bye.